Money can't buy happiness, they say. Well, tell that to somebody who just bought their first car, or replaced an old beater. Buying a new car should be exciting. The last thing you want to have to do is start looking at lemon laws. Everybody needs to drive a reliable vehicle that will last and won't break down constantly, right? Before we continue, welcome to Alpha Law Firm. Be sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon so you never miss any of our updated videos in the future. Lemon law is a civil law term that refers to when a consumer buys a vehicle, and it fails to function no matter how many times they have had it repaired. Lemon laws provide the individual a way to receive compensation. While the term lemon might apply to different items, these laws usually apply to automobiles, motorcycles, and trucks. In an era of mass-produced products, some of these products will inevitably make it to the market with defects. Consumers who purchase these products have a right to expect that the item will perform according to the standards the consumer was promised. In other words, an electric toy train should have all of its important parts and work as expected. A blow dryer should turn on and work according to its features, etc. So what qualifies as a lemon? While consumers may find themselves stuck with just about any inadequate item they considered in their minds to be lemons, in most states actual lemon laws apply to new car buys. A car qualifies as a lemon under the law only if it shows a problem considered to be a significant defect. What is a substantial defect? A substantial defect is a problem or flaw that impairs the vehicle's regular use, safety, or value. It is not a minor issue like a broken knob, faulty radio, or anything that can be fixed with a simple repair. Instead, these defects are those which make the car inoperative or unsafe. Just what is considered a substantial defect varies in each state. There is a reasonable number of attempts to repair. Before being required to replace the auto or give a full refund, the producer or dealer must be permitted a certain number of attempts at repairing the defect, free of charge to the buyer. Here, lemon laws strive to guarantee consumers do not have to put up with unending attempts to repair the car and long periods in which the car is in the repair shop. While specifics vary by state, these guidelines define when a vehicle must be replaced or refunded as a lemon. If the vehicle remains unfixed after 3 or 4 repair attempts, or if the vehicle is in the repair shop for substantial defects, more than a specified number of days within 1 year, then the consumer is entitled to pursue compensation under the lemon law. Using state lemon laws successfully. It depends on keeping great records, giving the right notice, and using arbitration programs where required. The buy of anything amounts to a contract between 2 or more parties. As with any agreement, it is fundamental to document the purchase transaction and any issues that occur. When it comes to dealing with auto manufacturers and dealers, buyers can end up confused, as auto salesmen are good at what they do, and will do whatever it takes to get the consumer to purchase. What do I document in a lemon law case? First, it is essential to put the original contract in a safe place. A simple notebook may be used to write down the necessary information to prove a lemon law case. Essential things to document in a lemon law case include date of purchase and date of the first issue with the car. In addition to the time and date, write down what happened, what you think was the issue, and the circumstances in which it happened. Make a partitioned section for subsequent occurrences of the same issue, as well as for new issues. As action is taken to remedy the issue, document whether the same issue happened more than once before taking action. Document notices and communications, record the date, time, and strategy of communicating with or receiving communications from the dealer, manufacturer, and others concerning the car. Save evidence. Keep copies of communications regarding the problem with the car. It implies saving copies of all content, such as emails, social media messages, voicemail, and other communications. While there's no transcription of verbal or phone communications, making copies of phone bills enumerating the numbers called and the date, time, and term of such calls may be essential. Nitty-gritty cell phone bills can usually be obtained online. Service and repair records. Keep records from each service or repair related to the issue. This proves invoices, notifications, and anything showing the car's length in the shop each time. Because the sheer number of appointments and length of time the vehicle spends in the repair shop can consider the car a lemon, this is often important evidence. So friends, I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha Law Firm. And if we have missed anything important so far, tell us in the comments below. Now the question is, what happens after you win the lemon law case? Under California lemon law, the purchaser of a lemon has 2 important remedies: vehicle buyback and vehicle replacement. In either case, the buyer of the flawed vehicle is additionally entitled to different damages. You get to choose whether you need buyback or replacement. Sounds simple enough, but in practice, this process can be a bit more complicated. The Lemon Law lawyers at Alpha Law Firm are well versed in these laws and can help advise you regarding the whole process. Vehicle buyback. If you win a Lemon Law case and select the vehicle buyback, here is what you can expect. According to the law, if the buyer chooses the vehicle buyback, the manufacturer must completely repay the buyer minus a calculated dollar amount for using the car before it began having problems. For vehicle buybacks, the manufacturer has to cover the purchase cost for you. Typically, this means the down payment and any monthly installments are refunded. The manufacturer would also have to pay you for the sales or use tax, license fees, registration fees, and other official fees. However, by California law, the manufacturer must refund you a dollar amount that decreases the entire amount for your use. This means your use of the car before it first displays mechanical issues. This is called the mileage offset. If it looks complicated to you, don't worry. Lemon Law lawyers can help you through each part of your Lemon Law case. Vehicle replacement. Vehicle replacement isn't chosen as regularly as vehicle buyback. Part of this is because the buyer has to pay the manufacturer for using the old vehicle before the issues happened under the Lemon Law statute. In addition, the replacement vehicle is required to come with all of the same guarantees as a normal new car. Additionally, the replacement vehicle ought to be significantly identical to the old car. Finally, the producer is responsible for sales or uses tax and other official expenses along with the replacement car. Regardless of whether replacement or buyback is chosen, the court can impose a gracious punishment of up to 2 times the actual damages to prove the violations of Lemon Law willful. Now we're going to discuss the most important question: how long until you get your money? According to California law, once a car is determined to be a lemon, it must promptly provide the buyer's remedy. In addition, the manufacturer is required to pay the buyer for the car or replace the car and pay other damages quickly. But what is considered prompt? A failure to pay promptly can result in some additional remedies. Every case is different, so make sure to consult with experienced Lemon Law lawyers to ensure you receive your damages promptly. We are moving towards the end of the video. Lemon laws can be challenging to understand at first. Still, checking your state's laws should help you get a grasp of them, particularly on the off chance that you seek legal advice from a lawyer who can clarify the legal process for you. Make sure to keep all records and your case may be effective. If you are interested in getting more curated content in the future, subscribe to our channel, Alpha Law Firm, right now. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Any questions regarding Lemon laws? Please ask. The comment section is for you. If you want more information about Lemon laws, feel free to contact us at lemonlawyeronline.com. Until next time.